Hello students. In my last lecture, I told you about present tense. Now we have completed our present tense. Today we will talk about past tense. But before we start our past tense, I want to tell you the question which I gave you in my last lesson. I gave you two examples related with they have fought the dog, he has beaten me. First of all, we will solve they have fought the dog. I'll start. This is affirmative sentence. I will make the passive voice of this sentence. They have caught the dog. The dog have, because of they, so we have singular noun, so we will use has. The dog has been caught. The dog has been caught by them. We will use been after has. We already have verb third form, so we do not have to think about the third form. Now we will make the negative sentence negative. They have caught the dog. Our sentence is they have not caught the dog. My negative sentence was they have not caught the dog. Hope you all have done this. First of all, we will start as our affirmative sentence. The dog has. We will use not after has. The dog has not been caught by them. This is our negative sentence. Our affirmative sentence was they have caught the dog. We made the passive voice of our affirmative sentence. The dog has been caught by them. Our second sentence was they have not caught the dog, so we have made the passive voice of this sentence. The dog has not been caught by them. Our third sentence was in interrogative. In interrogative, I told you our sentence was have they caught the dog. We will start our sentence according to our object. We will use helping verb has. The dog been caught. Has the dog been caught by them. As these sentences, we will start. As these sentences, we can make the passive voice of these sentences same as this sentence. As I was telling you that how can we make the passive voice of this sentence, the three sentences related with this sentence I have told you about it. Now according to second sentence, he has beaten me. We will start this sentence. He has beaten me. This is our affirmative sentence. We will change me into I when we make passive voice of this sentence. I have been beaten by. He will change into him. I have been beaten by him. So the negative sentence of this sentence is active sentence. He has not beaten me. So we will change this sentence into passive. We will start as this sentence. I have not been. if you will see the change in this sentence, if you compare both sentence, you will find only the thing which is changed in this sentence is not being beaten by him. I have not been beaten by him. This is our negative sentence. Now we will change or we will see our interrogative sentence. Our interrogative sentence was has he beaten me? Has he beaten me? Now we will make the passive voice of this sentence. We will start. We will see our helping verb according to our object. So our object is me. So we will start our sentence with have I been beaten? Have I been beaten by him? If you see the sentences, all the sentences are as same as this sentence. Passive voice in present indefinite, if you see, then as according to our structure. So we all have the knowledge of the structure, so we can make the passive voice of every sentence very easily. So today we are going to start our past tense. In past, first of all, we will start with our past simple or past. I will start with affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. So first of all, we have knowledge of structure. Active sentences start subject in our verb second form. This is the identification of past simple tense. In present we use here verbs first form with s here, s or es, subject plus verb second form, object plus adverbial, and the structure of a passive sentence is object plus helping verb. Helping verb of past is was and were. These will use in past indefinite sentence plus verbs third form plus object plus adverbial, subject plus adverbial. This is the structure of affirmative sentence. Subject plus verb second form plus object plus adverbial. The identification of past simple tense is verb second form. So I am going to write some of example. He made mistakes in his homework. So if you see, he made mistake, verb second form mistakes. So we will start with our object. This is a preposition. So this is not our object. Our object is mistake. So the passive of this sentence is mistakes. Word. We will use word. Was will use with singular countable noun, and word will use with plural countable noun. With pronoun also. Mistakes were made. Mistakes were made in his homework. In his homework by him. Mistakes were made in his homework by him. This is our example. He made mistakes in his homework, and the passive of this sentence is mistakes were made in his homework by him. Was is used with singular noun and were with plural. So one more example I'm going to write of active sentence. He stopped. He stopped car in the yard. So the passive of this sentence is we will start car. This is singular noun, so we will use the helping verb was stopped in the yard by him. Our question is he stopped car in the park. Car was stopped in the yard by him. This is past simple sentence and the structure is as in front of you and sentences is also as our structure. So we will go ahead and start negative sentences. We will start negative sentences of negative sentences. The structure of negative sentence is active structure, subject, did, not plus verbs first form, object, and at last we will use adverbial. Passive. We will start our sentence with object. Did will change into helping verb. Was or were plus not plus verbs third form plus adverbial plus object. If we see the structure of past indefinite sentence, in our present indefinite sentence we use do and does here because the identification of a negative or interrogative sentence in present tense is related, present indefinite sentence is related with do and does. In past simple tense, the structure of or the helping verb of a negative sentence in active sentence is did. Did will change into was and were. Verbs third form plus adverbial plus object. So the examples are in front of you. They did not prepare. They did not prepare food for everybody. They did not prepare food for everybody. So we can't use verb second form or past participle with do, does, did, to or any kind of model. The passive of this sentence is food. This is our object, food. Was, we will use helping verb was because food is singular noun. Food was not. Prepare will change into prepared. Prepared for everybody by them. So we can see the sentence they did not prepare food for everybody, and the passive of this sentence is food was not prepared. Now prepare change into prepared Here we use prepare because of did, and in our passive we can see we always use verb's third form. So prepare change into prepared food for everybody by them. I'm going to write one more example for all of you. Active sentence. They did not watch TV with us. So our object is TV because we have a preposition here with, so us is not our object. So keep attention that with after preposition we can't use we can't use the object. Sorry, we could not find object after preposition. So our object is TV was not watched. TV was not watched by them. TV was not watched by them. This is our negative sentences, and this is the structure, and you all have to keep attention before start any sentence. You must have the knowledge of the structure. So this is our negative sentence, and now we will do interrogative sentence in past simple. Active sentence. We will start our active sentence with did plus subject plus verb's first form, object plus adverbial, and in last we will use interrogative sign, which show that this is a sentence in interrogative. Did plus subject plus verb first form, object plus adverbial. So as other sentence we will start, as other sentence in interrogative we will start this sentence with helping verb. Or helping verb is was and were. After that we will use object plus verb's third form plus adverbial plus by subject. So I am going to write some of example of interrogative. You all will mention interrogative here. Okay. Active sentence. Did you pay my fee on time? Passive sentence. Did you pay my fee on time? My fee, was my fee paid on time by you. Did you pay my fee on time? Was my fee paid on time by you? One more example. I am going to write did you watch Ramayan? Did you watch Ramayan? Passive of this sentence, Ramayan. So we will start our sentence with was Ramayan watched Ramayan watched by you. Did you watch Ramayan? So the passive of this sentence is was Ramayan was by you. Hope you all understand. Now I'm going to some of the example in front of you for as a homework. Hope you all will try to do them. First sentence. He did not notice. He did not notice me. Second sentence is he did not notice me. He noticed me. Third sentence is did he notice me. Fourth one is she got first rank. She got first rank in the class. Fifth one is she did not get first rank in the class. And the sixth one is did she get, and the sixth one is did she get first rank in the class. So hope you all will try to do these sentences. Did she get first rank in the class? He noticed me. Did he notice me? She got first rank in the class. She did not get first rank in the class. Student, I hope you all will try your level best to understand and do these sentences as well as the other homework also. So have a nice day. Stay home. Be safe. Thank you.